Come test drive the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.